Today is a really exciting day, guys, because last night I was getting really close to 10,000 followers on Instagram, and this morning I reached it. And I know that for some people that's not like very much at all, but I have had this shop account for 4 years. Oh my gosh, there's two beautiful, huge butterflies outside. Okay, hold on. You see that? They're on my dead petunia. Well, actually that one's on the weed, but the other one's on the thing. Wow. There's two of them. They are gorgeous. I'm curious what they're doing, just chilling like that. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. That's really cool. Okay, well anyway, there's a little distraction. Okay, anyway, back to what I was saying. I reached 10,000 followers last night, and I have been in like the 9,000 range for almost like a year or something. And so that's been, I actually thought I was gonna reach 10,000 by Christmas last year, which was like 9 months ago. So, well, not 9 months ago, but a long time ago. So anyway, I'm really excited, and part of the reason I've been really wanting that to be able to happen is because now I can do the swipe up things from your story. So if I'm advertising something specific, I can just link it right there and people can swipe up. So anyway, I'm really excited about that. And yeah, so anyway, I don't know, I'm just in a happy mood and thought today would be a good day to do a little vlog, and I have a number of things I'm working on, so I'll try to bring you guys along on that. I have some portraits to do. I have some orders to pack. I'm gonna be partnering with some other illustrators to host a fall illustration prompts week on Instagram, so I need to make my little page for that. And I also was thinking that I'd like to update my checkout screen of my shop to be a little bit more fun. And also, what else is on my list? I'm going to change my shop account Instagram icon just because it's very summery, and I know it is still summer, but I think some people are starting to transition into a different feeling right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something for that. I don't know if I'll use something I already have or what, but anyway, yes, that. And then I need to reply to an email, and first I'm gonna make myself some tea. So I'll make myself some tea, do the email, and then I think maybe I'll start with packing some of those orders. is printed on watercolor paper, and it's very textural, which just kind of adds to the real look of it, looking like it's actually the painting. But to finish it off, I go in by hand with pen and I add the outline again with pen, just to kind of make it stand out more, and that way each one has a little bit of a special hand touch to it. So I will let you guys watch while I do that. So you guys can already see the difference between what I've done so far on its head versus the rest of it. And now I just continue this. So one of the things on my to-do list was to make an insert for my packages, just a new one. Printer got messed up a little bit down here, but anyway, so I just decided to print it on some watercolor paper, and I will be cutting these up and they will be going in my orders. Just letting people know about the fact that the materials are recyclable and compostable, and also just ways that they can share and help me out. So yeah, I think they look really cute. So this little bunny is just matching my mood right now, and I've been wanting to do a new icon for my shop Instagram. So the circle is just to represent what it'll look like cropped to a circle. I wanted to make sure that it would look good. But anyway, yeah, I think it's really cute, and I don't know if I'll use this bunny or something different on my checkout page, but I don't know, I might use her because I like it. So yeah, just got that done. Okay, so I took a lunch break and relaxed for a little bit, and now I'm going to do a mini pet portrait of this really, really cute bunny. I'm going to show you guys. Look how precious. So I'm going to paint this little buddy, and it's going to go in this little frame. Well, there it is, all finished. Now it's just time to send the picture to my customer and see if they are good with it, and then I will put it in its frame and get it shipped. Alright guys, I think that'll be it for today's video, but I hope you guys enjoyed following me along as I worked today. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.